Hi everyone. In our sixth grade Elevate groups today, students will be understanding the value of whole numbers. So yesterday, students worked on reading and writing numbers in three different forms: word form, expanded form, and standard form. Today, they are going to be doubling down on understanding place value, the value of specific digits within a specific place in the place value chart, and then comparing those numbers. And so, because today's lesson is aligned with yesterday, I think it might be best for you to start with a turn and talk after their sprint. So, how can you find the value of the digit 2 in 2163? What is the value? So, students should say that since the 2 is in the 2000s place, then the value is 2000. And then you can launch students into a We Do activity where they are finding the value of a specific digit within the place value chart and then writing that value in both standard form and word form. From there, students are going to be comparing digits. They have done this in past lessons, so they should not struggle to see, okay, well, both numbers have the same digit in the thousands place, in the hundreds place, and in the tens place. However, in the ones place, we have two different digits. We have 4 and we have 6. And we know that since 6 ones is greater than 4 ones, 2,756 is greater than 2,754. From there, you'll launch students into practice problems, about 5 minutes to work on questions 1 and questions 2. Students may struggle to read these models right here, so you might want to ask them, based on the model, how did we get 3,024? And so students will be able to say, okay, well, that means that these are the thousands, these are the tens, and then these are the ones blocks. From there, they should be able to figure out what this number is based on the model. They'll be comparing in the same way that you modeled for question number 2. And then before we launch them into some more practice, we want to be able to talk about the place value. So this question is going to be directly aligned to their exit ticket. So we want to make sure that we're spending some time answering any questions and really walking them through this question, right? So they're comparing the values of the threes in 63,352. First things first, they are going to write that number in the place value chart. Then they are going to identify the value of each of those threes, right? So the 3 in the thousands place is 3,000. The 3 in the hundreds place is 300. And then they are going to write that comparative sentence. So 3,000s is 10 times greater than 300s, right? And we know that that's true because when we do 300 times 10, we get 3,000, right? So that's where we get the 10 times greater. So from there, students are going to do some extra practice identifying the value of the underlying digit. And then last but not least, go through that exit ticket that aligns with the last model that you just did. So same thing, they are identifying the value of the 4s in this entire number.